students, welcome to MJC Learning. Today we are going to study chapter number 5 of your subject Bookkeeping and Accountancy, that is Death of Partner. So let's begin. Today we are dealing with question number 4, which is on page number 204 of your government textbook. Let me read out the question. Virendra, Devendra and Narendra were partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2:1. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2019 was as follows. Then balance sheet is given. Ahead, Mr. Virendra died on 31st August 2019 and the partnership deed provided that on the event of the death of Mr. Virendra, his executors be entitled to be paid out. First, the capital to his credit at the date of death, his proportion of reserve at the date of the balance sheet, his proportion of profits at the date of death based on the average profit of the last 4 years. His share of goodwill should be calculated at 2 years of purchase of the profits of the last 4 years for the year ended 31st March, which were as follows. Then we have profit of past 4 years. Next, Mr. Virendra has drawn rupees 3000 per month to the date of death and there is no increase or decrease in the value of assets and liabilities, and we need to prepare Virendra's executor account. So let us start solving the problem. First, we need to get the capital to his credit. So Virendra's capital is 90,000. So we'll make a note of that. In Virendra's capital account, by balance brought down 90,000. Next, his proportion of reserve at the date of last balance sheet. So reserve fund is 30,000. Now in this reserve fund, we need to find out Virendra's share. Their profit sharing ratio is 3:2:1. So Virendra's share is 3/6. So we'll divide reserve fund amount 30,000 in Virendra's share. So when 30,000 multiplied by 3/6, that is Virendra's share, we get 15,000. So next thing we'll write by reserve fund amount we calculated is 15,000 of Virendra. Next, his proportion of profits to the date of death based on the average profit of the last 4 years. So now we need to calculate profit up to the date of his death, and information of profit of last 4 years is available. 2016 40,000, 2017 60,000, 2018 70,000 and 2019 30,000. So let us calculate profit. So when I add all these 4 years profit divided by 4, I get 2 lakhs. When we divide by 4, we get 50,000 into Virendra's shares, that is 3/6 multiplied by, now the new year opens at 1st April and he dies on 31st August. So that is the tenure of 5 months multiplied by 5/12, because question is stating we need to calculate up to the date of his death. So that is by 5 months of this year. And when we multiply, we get the answer as 10,417. Again I'll repeat, 50,000 into Virendra's share, that is 3/6 multiplied by 5 months of this year. And we get the answer 10,417. So we'll write again by profit and loss suspense account amount we got 10,417. Next, his share of goodwill should be calculated at 2 years of purchase of the profits of last 4 years. So again let us calculate goodwill. Again, profit of past 4 years. When I divide by 4, I get 2 lakhs. Divide by 4, we get 50,000. And years of purchase mentioned in the question is 2 years of purchase. And for that reason, we are multiplying by 2. So we get 1 lakh into Virendra's share. His share is 3 by 6. So I get the amount of goodwill as 50,000. So by goodwill, amount we calculated 50,000. Next, he has drawn 3,000 per month to the date of death as drawings. And so we need to calculate the amount of drawings 3,000 multiplied by 5 months of current year. So we get it as 15,000. Amount is 15,000. There is no increase or decrease in the value of assets and liabilities, meaning we don't need to prepare profit and loss adjustment account because there is no increase or decrease in the value of assets as well as liabilities. So we need to prepare Virendra's executor account. So first we'll close his capital account. Credit side is more. So adding, I get 1,65,417. From that, when I deduct drawings 15,000, I get to executor's account. Amount is 1,50,417, and this we will transfer to Virendra's executor account by Virendra's capital account. Amount is 1,50,417. I hope you all have understood this problem. Thank you. See you again with yet another problem.